morning. My name is Lamar Lawson, and the tree service came out and trimmed up some trees for me and made my property look good. I love it. And if you need some service done to your trees and yard, call them. I recommend it, and I will also use them again if I need them.